Hey friends, in this video I'm going to go over the teens work with you. So when I collect my numerals, I'm going to start with 1, put 2 on top, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just like that, and then I'm going to flip it over. Now when I'm looking at my tens, you can look at this and say, what does 1 and 0 make? Yeah, that makes 10. We need to find a bead bar that has 10 beads in it, 10 unit beads. You know, and you guys can make these at home with pipe cleaners and beads, you know that the 10 bar has 10 beads, but let's make sure, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. This is 10. This says 10. Well, what happens when we add our first bead bar? That's 1. When we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When we add 1 to 10, we get 11. Well, this is 1, and this is 1. We're going to add it on. Now this says 11. This is 11. This says 11. Let's move on to the next one. We know this says 10. We know that this is our 10 bar. And we're going to take our next bead bar and find out how many are in there. 1, 2. This is 2. This says 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 beads here. This is 12, and this number says 12. Let's do the next one. 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 3. Let's count to find out how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 13. This says 13. You can do this work all the way down to 19. Have fun. Good luck.